git test. Git test is kind of like if you have some changes in your repository and you want to switch your branch from this branch to any other branch temporary, you want to test some changes like store into the temporary storage, then you are able to use git test. Okay, say for example, I am in master branch. I am going to create new branch. Say for example, again new task 2 branch. Say for example, okay. So I am in now new task 2 branch, and I have another branch is master branch. Okay. So right now I have these changes git status. Okay. Say for example, I am changing this file and adding line number 3. Okay, so currently I am already having some changes in this branch git status. Okay, so if we see there is a readme.txt file modified line 3 we added for task 3. So right now suddenly I want to switch this branch from new task to master branch, but right now this is uncommitted changes, right? And I want to switch branch, so temp, and I don't want to commit these changes because I done partial work and not completed task 2 yet. So in between for switching this branch I want to do git test. Okay, so this git test will temporarily store those changes. So now if I will do git status, it is showing changes, right, in this branch, new task branch. Okay, so I am doing git test now. Sorry, so I am doing git test. So you can see like saved a working directory and index test work in progress on new task 1. So this changes are tested now. So if we do git status, it will not show anything because whatever changes we are currently in this branch, temporary changes, in progress changes, work in progress changes, that is test. Test means it is stored somewhere. If we see git test list, so you can see like currently in git task list there are 1 changes already present in the queue. Okay, so that is we recently stored. So now we are easily able to switch the branch. We are going to git checkout master. So if we want to do anything in this master branch, now we are in master branch, and if we want to do anything in the master branch, and we can do, and then again we switch back to that task 2 branch. So now we are back to this branch, and we so far we did partial work in this branch. Okay, so now this work we need back from test. So we can see in the test git test list, and now we need to do git test pop. Okay, so that will pop up the recently added test changes. So you can see like it is already pop now. So if we do git status now, it is showing these changes again. So those changes we get back from our test. So that test is for if we have any work in progress changes in specific branch and we want to switch that branch suddenly, we are able to test those changes temporarily. Okay.